Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw an Oompa Loompa.
Yeah, from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. We hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start by drawing our Oompa Loompa's face. We're going to draw a smile right in the middle of our paper. And then let's draw a big eye on the left and same size circle on the right for the other eye. And then we can draw the highlight. Always like adding another circle in the top left. This makes the eyes look shiny.
Yeah.
Then we're going to color in that big circle, but leave the little circle white.
That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need more time.
Yeah. All right, now let's draw the shape of our Oompa Loompa's face. We're going to start here and draw a line down, and then we're going to draw a curve for the cheeks. Come over to the other side, another curve for this cheek, and then up to match the other side. Okay, now we're going to draw the top of our Oompa Loompa's head. We're going to draw two curves that match on each side. And oh, you know what we forgot? The white eyebrows. We're going to draw our Oompa Loompa like the classic one. There we go. Two eyebrows on each side. Okay, now let's connect in between here for our Oompa's hair.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the middle part of the hair. We're going to draw a curve coming up and over to the side. And then we're going to draw an S curve coming down into this corner. Now we're going to start here and draw a curve coming down right next to the side of the head. But we're going to stop here, and then we're going to draw a curl, a big curl coming out. Now let's start on the right side and do the same thing. We're going to start up high, and then we're going to come close to the head on the side, and then we'll draw a big curve coming out for the curl. Yeah, that's awesome. All right, now we need to draw our Oompa Loompa's body. Let's start with a little scarf or the neck part. We're going to start with two lines coming down from the chin, and then we're going to connect those together. And then we're going to draw the body, two lines coming down further. And then we can draw the waist coming across to connect. And then we're going to draw the legs, but we're also going to draw the hips kind of coming out a ways. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And then we're going to draw a short line down on each side. And then right here in the middle, we can draw an upside down letter V. We're going to connect the bottom of the legs. And let's also add another line for the bottom of the pants. Yeah, Oompa Loompas are my favorite.
Yeah.
Then we're going to draw the letter U for the feet or shoes, and one on the other side. Then let's also give them a little pom-pom or a circle on their toes. Okay, now let's draw their arms. We're going to start here, draw a line coming down diagonal, and then up. And we'll do that same letter V on the other side. Then we're going to draw a short line for the wrist. And then we're going to draw the other side of the arm coming down and into the armpit. Let's do the same thing over here. Short line. Then we'll come down and into the armpit. Then we could also add a little extra line for the sleeves. And then the hands. We're going to draw a simple upside down U shape on each side. And then we could also draw thumbs. Let's draw a smaller U shape inside. And that's it, we did it. We finished drawing our Oompa Loompa, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color him.
Yeah, this part will speed up, so at the end you can pause the video to match your same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
We colored our Oompa Loompa shirt brown, and they have white suspenders that cross over. So I'm using my paint marker to add the little cross. Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Oompa Loompas, and they turned out perfect.
Yeah, they did.
You can pause the video to match our same coloring. You could also,
Add a background.
yeah, you could draw the chocolate factory in the background. And more Oompa Loompas.
Oh yeah. We hope you had fun drawing an Oompa Loompa with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turn out awesome.
Yep.
The most important thing is
To have fun and to practice.
yes, have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.